friends, welcome back to my channel Hetal's Cornerstone. So in today's video we will cover musical instrument with picture image. So in near future or in longer future you will never forget that instrument because here over I have provided you picture image with the meaning of that instrument. So we have analyzed that they are asking plethora of musical instrument in the Duolingo English test of record 3 seconds image. There will be one image in front of you and you have to give the answer within a 3 seconds. So we will cover all the musical instrument in the this video. So let's check out full and detailed video of musical instrument. Before that, if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe it, like it and share it. So let's begin without wasting our more time. Let's start. One is a speak the English word for each image. First is a benzo. So this will be the picture image of benzo. Might be that person is playing with the banjo, and this type of image might be they will ask. So banjo, banjo. Next one, banjo is a string instrument, right? That person is playing with string with a thin membrane straight over frame or cavity to form a center, right? So I have some provided you tiny description of benzo. Okay, next we will see. Next image we will see accordion, accordian, accordion. So might be you will be worried which is accordion. So let's check out the description of that. Accordion are the family of box shape musical instrument of the below seven free reed aeroplane type, colloquially referred to as squeeze box. A person who plays the accordion is also called an accordionist, acordionist. This type of description you will that helpful to you in the writing as well as in speaking, right? So let's check out another picture of accordion that the lady is playing with accordion. An example, can you teach me how to play the accordion? Okay, so this is the example of accordion, and if you will see this image in the examination to remember, immediately you will remember this name accordion, right? Accordian. Piano, this is a grand piano, right? Might be this type of image or smaller, but this is a grand one, grand piano, piano. Mind well, piano is asking numerous type in IELTS listening in section 1. So you must know the correct spelling, piano. Numerous time they are asking in IELTS listening in both the academic as well as general training. Next, keyboard. Okay, this type of keyboard or this one keyboard, meaning it is an electronic keyboard instrument similar to piano. A keyboard instrument is a musical instrument played using a keyboard or row of levers which are pressed by the fingers. Example, the keyboard looks very similar to the piano. So spellings you have to spell out like that, keyboard, keyboard. Okay, if you file this image, then immediately you will remember the pronunciation, spelling. Okay, one is we can see organ. Organ is just like a keyboard instrument. You have to play with your fingers. So in music, the organ is a keyboard instrument of one or more pipe divisions. You can see one or more pipe divisions or other means for producing tones, each played with his own keyboard, played either with the hands on a keyboard or with the feet using a pedals. Right, this is the organ, organ. If you find this type of image, then you will remember the name organ. Next one, trumpet. We will see the image of trumpet, trumpet. Trumpet might be this type of trumpet. Okay, so don't forget the correct pronunciation, trumpet. They are asking in the examination of speaking which type of musical instrument you like the most. Okay, describe one. Or do you like trumpet? Okay, so that way you can describe any musical instrument. Next one, this is a guitar, Guitar. That person is playing with the guitar and this type of image. Okay, so don't forget the image of guitar, Guitar. Further, we will see what is this. This is a flute, Flute, flute. There is another category of flute also. So we will see later on in the end of this video. But don't forget this image, flute, Flute, flute. Okay, that person is playing with a flute. Next one, what do you call over here? This image, can you imagine that? If this image is asked in the examination, then you will lose the marks. You don't know the name of this image. So we will call French horn. Right? This looks like a horn. Frenchhorn, French horn. Further, this is looks like a drum, right? Drum, and this you call drumstick. Okay, these all two are drums, and you call drumstick. One stick, then you can call sticks. Okay, can you image this image of this picture image? Harp, Harp, harp. Okay, next, saxophone. Right, the lady is playing with the saxophone. Right, you must remember the name at least. Xexophone. We will see another picture. Can you image that picture image? Tambourine, Tambourine. Mind well the spelling, Tambourine, tambourine. This picture image or this picture image, if you find this picture image, immediately you can speak tambourine, Tambourine. Why I am frequently saying you? Because this, if I will speak you in front of this picture image, so immediately that image will reflect in your mind. Xylophone, Xylophone, xylophone. Might be this or this one. Okay, so mine, this is a xylophone. We'll check out. Can you mesh? What is this? Violin, Violin, violin. Right. Next, this violin, Violin. So if you will look this picture and do not speak immediately, guitar, right? You will find but little similar. Okay, so we call say that Violin, violin. Next, okay, can you say that? Campbell, Cymbals, Campbells. If there is a one, so we can call it singular. More than one, there is a plural. Cymbal, Campbells. This Campbell image or this Campbell image, this is a more than one and two. Then this is a plural. Cymbals, Campbell. Next, what is this? This type, say, marcas, Maraca, marcas. Okay, more than one, there is a plural. If singular, then we will call it marca. Only one word. We will not put there s. Next, we will. Okay, you have seen in the hand of Saraswati, goddess of Saraswati. She is playing with this. What's name? Veena. 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 This image or this image, this is a perfect image of goddess of Saraswati who is playing with this musical instrument Veena. Picture image we will see clarinet. This is similar in similar family, belongs to the flute, but something is different with the clarinet. Let's check out. A clarinet is a family of woodwind instruments. It has a single reed mouthpiece, a cylindrical tube with an almost cylindrical bore and a flat bell. A person who plays a clarinet is called a clarinetist. We can speak out that clarinet, clarinet. We will see another picture image of this clarinet. That person, the lady, is playing with a clarinet. You don't have to forget the correct spelling and correct pronunciation. Might be this clarinet will ask you in the writing or listening. So if you remember the spelling, you will never forget in the examination. So let's check out the spelling of that. Clarinet. So this is all the inclusive list of musical instrument which I found. Right, if you know another musical instrument beyond this list, so please comment me in the comment box and let me know which another video, which type of video is required in near future or 2 or 3 days. So let me give your suggestion in the comment box. I will try to provide you. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share to Hitler's Cornerstone for watching new and interested fascinated video. So and this will help you in the examination. So thank you guys, bye bye now, be prepared and stay tuned. Bye.